Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily close your Facebook account. So if you think you want to delete or if you want to permanently delete or disable your Facebook account, then this video is for you. So to do that, just open your Facebook app on your device, then just tap on this three line here. After that, you can see there is a settings icon, or you can scroll down and tap on this settings and privacy. After that, just again tap on this settings tab. Now you can see there is a option like this type of option, personal details. Just tap on that. Now scroll and you can see there is another personal details tab. Just tap on this. Now you can see there is an option account control or account ownership, something like this, account ownership and control. Just tap on that. Now from here, just tap on this deactivation or deletion. If you use your Instagram account with the link of your Facebook, then you have to choose one, which one you want to delete. If you want to delete Facebook, then just tap on Facebook one, and if you want to delete your Instagram, then just tap here. In this case, I'm going to delete my Facebook account. I'm just tapping on this. Now you can see there is two options. One is deactivation, another is delete account. So to close your account permanently, just tap on this delete account, then continue. Now you can choose a reason why you are going to delete your account, or if you don't want to, then you don't need to. Just tap on continue. Now scroll a little bit and you can see there is another option, continue again. Just tap on that. After that, just you have to write your password here. After typing your password, just tap on this continue. So it will take 3 months to delete your Facebook account permanently. If you want to get back your account within 3 months, then you can just simply log in it. So this is how you can easily close your Facebook account permanently. So if this video helped you, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.